You must have heard this so many times in your life. When you're going down, and people who love you and care for you will say that hang in there, everything will be okay, and there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. You, but nobody told us how to hang in there when our world is upside down, when nothing makes sense to us, and when after a lot of trying we didn't achieve anything in life. It's sad how your life is not going the way you want, and to make it worse, nobody is even there where you can go and hold on to them. There are a lot of people who are struggling daily to make the ends meet and trying to make things work for them. But no, nothing seems to work. It's very easy, to preach that be positive and think good thoughts, but when life throws one thing after the other, every time when you are recovering, then how come you hang in there? But as life progresses and with time you realize that come what may, you have to be strong. Not for the people, but for yourself or for your sanity. It's very easy, to do something wrong with yourself when life hits you hard. But it's even harder or courageous to face those situations and be so brave that nothing can hurt you. And in that moment, you can even think that what's the worst that could happen? And then suddenly the courage that you will get is something else. Sometimes when you take the ownership of your life and stop depending on people, then you will become fearless. And one more thing, when you have nothing to lose, then what's the harm in trying things? Because who knows what will start working for you, and you will start getting results which you have not even imagined. सोचो जरा